Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear learners? I think you all are well. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution, Can Public School and College, Svedpur. Dear learners, today I will solve two structural based question. I have already written one. I am reading this. The average weight of father and his three sons is 31 kg. The average weight of mother and their three sons 30 kg. The weight of mother is 60 kg. What is the average weight of three sons? What is the weight of father? And here see what is the average weight of father, mother and their three sons. Dear learners, you know this type of question have 8 marks. For 1, 2, for B, here this will be 3 and C, the marks of C here 3. The sum of total marks 8. First I am solving A. The average weight of the average weight of mother and her three sons 30 kg. Therefore, the total weight of mother and her three sons, here mother and three sons, total number of person here 4, so 30 multi 4, this will be 120 kg. The weight of mother is 60 kg is given the weight of mother is 60 kg. According to question A, what is the average weight of three sons? First, I will find the total weight of three sons. The total weight of three sons, this will be 160 minus 60. Sorry, 120 minus 60. This will be 60 kg. There are three persons here. According to question A, what is the average weight of three sons? So the average weight of three sons is sum of quantity divided by number of quantity. Here sum of quantity 60 and number of quantity 3 sons, that is 3. This will be 20 kg. We got answer A. Now here B, what is the weight of father? Dear learners, here given the average weight of father and his three sons is 31 kg. So the total weight of father and his three sons, that is total number of person 4 multi 31. This will be 124 kg. The total weight of three sons given 60. So if you subtract 60 from 124, then we'll get the weight of father. That is, this will be 64 kg. We know the total weight of three sons here 60 kg. This is needed for solving B. Now B, the average weight, the average weight of father and his three sons is 31 kg. Therefore, the total weight of father and his three sons, their father and three sons, this will be 4 person. So the total weight of this 4 person will be 31 multi 4. This will be 124 kg. We got from A the total weight of three son is 60 kg. The total weight of three sons is, we know, 60 kg. From A we get, from A. So the weight of father will be, the weight of father is, here the total weight of father and his three sons 124 kg, and the weight of three sons here 60 kg. If you subtract 60 from 124, then we get the weight of father. It's 124 minus 60. This will be 64 kg. This is the answer of B. Now I'll find the answer of C. What is the average weight of father, mother and their three sons? We know the weight of father here 64 kg, weight of mother is given here 60 kg, weight of three sons here 60 kg. First we will determine the sum of the weight of father, mother and their three sons. This will be 64 plus 60 plus 60. I think this will be 184. And then if you have to find the average of them, here total number of person 1, 2 and 3, this will be 5. 184 divided by 5, then we will get the average weight of them. Now see, here see the weight of father is here 64 kg. The weight of mother is here 60 kg. The weight of three sons is also 60 kg. The total weight of father, mother, and their three sons. This will be 4004, here 6 6 12 12 6 184 kg. According to question C, what is the average weight of father, mother, and three sons? So the average weight of them, this will be sum of the quantity, here 184, and number of quantity we know 1 2 and 3, this will be 5. 5 184, 3 5s the 15, 34, 5 6 the 34, 5 8 is 40. We got average weight of them, this will be 36.8 kg. This is answer of C. I'll solve another one. I am writing another is structural based question. Here, second, the summation of nine numbers is 565. Among them, the average of first four number is 55, and the average of last four number is 65. Here first question A, what is the average of 9 number? What is the average of 9 numbers? For this question have marks 2. What is the left number? What is the left number? Here for this question marks 3. What is the average? What is the average of last 5 numbers? Last 5 numbers. for this question of marks 3. I am solving first. Here given the summation of 9 number is 565. Here the sum of this 9 number is here 565 and number here 9. According to the question A, the average of 9 number, this will be 565 divided by 9. The average of 9 numbers is 565 divided by 9. 565, 56, you know, 6 9s are 54 to 5. 9 to the 18, here 7, 0. Now 7 9s are, this will be 63. 7 or here 0, 7 9s are 63. So the average of 9 numbers, this will be 62.77. This will be remaining. Here the remainder for this division here 7, but the average of 9 number approximately we can write 62.77, or we can write this symbol here 62.78. Here answer 62.78. What is the left number? First we will find the sum of the first 4 number, 4 multi 55, and the sum of the last 4 numbers, 65 multi 4. I will add these first 4 numbers and last 4 numbers, then we will get 8 numbers. If you subtract the sum of first and last number from the sum of this number, then we will get the left number. First I will determine the summation of first 4 numbers. The summation of first 4 numbers, this will be 4 multi 55, that is 4 5s are 20, 2 is hand, 4 5s are 20 and 20, this is 22. The summation of last 4 numbers, 4 multi 65, 4 5s are 20, 2 is hand, 4 6 are 24, 24 and 2, 260. The summation of first 4 numbers and last 4 numbers is 0, 6 to the 8, 4. Here The summation of 9 numbers, the summation of 9 numbers is 565, and the summation of first four numbers and last four numbers is 480. If you subtract 480 from 565, then we'll get the left number. Therefore, left number will be 5, 12, here 6 and 8. So if we imagine here 1, that is 16, 16 minus 8, this will be 8, 1 here, so 85. The left number will be 85. Here the answer of B. Now see, what is the average of last 5 number? Here left number is 5. This last number will be fifth number. Fifth number here 85, and last 4 numbers average here given 65. That is the summation of the last 4 numbers. This will be 260 plus 85. This will be the total, the summation of the last 5 numbers. If you divide the summation of this number by 5, then we will get the average of the last 5 numbers. The summation of last 4 numbers is here 4 multi 65. This will be 260, and fifth number is 85. The summation of last 5 numbers is 5, 6, 8 is 4, 345. The average of last 5 numbers is 345 divided 5. 345. We know 5 6 is 30, 45, 5 9 is 45, 69. This is answer for C. Dear student, you will practice at your home. You will make some structural based question and then you will solve. Thanks for watching my class.